viewing various markets in GFI Global. This lesson will explore the Markets tab within Client Portal. Click on the Market Overview tab to reveal a wealth of information about a variety of asset classes. Let's take a tour. You will see the latest market roundup from briefing.com. To the left, to the right, select the global region to display relevant market gauges. Access Strokes tab to see a currency review. Below the plot are hyperlinks enabling you to select a different time frame. Move your mouse over the plot to see more details on each asset price movement. To the right, you have a Boomerang Television and embedded video feed. Click to stream live news. Below you can see a popular scanners such as gainers and losers. Use the three dots to the right to configure by location. Drill down into a symbol by clicking through to see a chart news and additional financial information and research. Plus, you can trade from this page too. Now let's return to the market overview page. Scroll down to see headline news. You can click through a view any article in pop-up window. Stocks with major price changes are described by Bazinga. To the right, click through a view ticker specific information. Scroll down to view sector performance and use the three dots to the right of display to configure between US and global regions. You can click through any sector to review the ticker specific plot and related information. Get a sense of global equity market movements from the equity around the world section containing major financial center benchmark index movements for the day. Foreign exchange section is divided into grid with country flags across the top row and currencies listed in the left column. The table displays the exchange rate in the currency of the flag you have selected. Click the British flag to see pounds value against the dollar. For example, the volatility grid displays a relative view of market risk for US, Germany and Japan. We compare a 30-day view to price of the longest dated volatility future. To display a ratio, click the information icon to review the definition for neutral, high and low volatility ratios. As depicted in the graphic, you can access the events calendar, select the date using the arrows, enter a symbol, or you can drop down a select a region below. On the left menu, you can toggle on and off whether to only show your companies or all, plus you can toggle on corporate actions and events, economic events and more. In the main section, you can view dividends, corporate earnings and events. Drill down on the row to see more details about the earnings release.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.